Yeah, correct. Then, yeah, correct always. See, everyone, Nikhil, Sharnu, again you see. See, in the first second, think, let us example I will take here. In the first second, the bacteria in your food item, in one food item, it was one bacteria. In second, in total 2 seconds. In 2 seconds, how much bacteria will become? Double will become. Double of 1 will become 2. In 3 seconds, how many bacteria will become? 2 was there, 4 will become. Double of this. Then in 4 seconds, double of this. Double of this means 4 2 is 8. In 5 seconds, double of 8, 16. So you understood? So here we have not taken 1. We are what we have taken? Here we have taken x. So x, 2x, 4x, 8x, 16x. So in 3 seconds, the double of this. Double of this. In 3 seconds, double of this. 4, 2 2s are 4x. Okay, it is enough. It is enough. The sequence is x, 2x, 4x. If in the first second there are 10 bacteria in the first second, just imagine 10 bacteria. How many bacteria will be there in 2 seconds? Yeah, this is in GP. Yeah, this is in GP. Exactly right. It is not in AP. In 2 seconds, the bacteria will become 20. Correct now? In third second, how many bacteria will become? 40. Yeah. So that is the way. It is up to your we started with 20. We started with 10. In the same way, in our question, we started with x. That's it. Because we do not have exact number, so we started with x. So d is equal to 2x minus x. D will get x. Again, d is equal to 4x minus 2x. Yeah, double number. So 2x. You can clearly see it is not same. So it is not in AP. It is not in AP. Done. It is not in AP as D is not same. It is not in AP, right? Now we will go to next exercise. Okay, one extra question I will give you at the end as a homework to you all. Same kind of question. It is not that tough, so we will give you the homework. AN is equal to, formula is A plus N minus 1 of D. So we need to find out AN. They gave N is equal to how much? Here you can see N is equal to how much they gave? N is equal to, they gave 8. So you write here A8 as N is equal to 8 they gave. No, Suman. Haripriya, Varsha, Samprita, right. A is equal to 7 they gave. Correct now? A is equal to 7. N is equal to 8 they gave. So 8 minus 1. D is equal to 3 they gave. So we wrote 3. So A8 is equal to 7 plus 8 minus 1, we will get 7 into 3. Understood? Very good, Arfat. So A8 is equal to 7 plus 21. 7 3s are 21. A8 is equal to 28. 21 plus 7, 28. Finish. This is the answer. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Hamad, right? A5 as N is equal to 5 they gave, so A5. A is 3 plus N is 5 minus 1. Ahmad right, BS Krishna right, Shreya wrong, Sandhya mistake. Rekha what? 3 how? I am right. So D is 3. So A5 is equal to 3 plus 5 minus 1 will get 4. I am right. Rekha no. Sandhya do it again. So A5 is equal to 3 plus 4 3s are. Shujan, why late man Shujan? Shujan, why slow? 4 3s are 12. Okay. Right, Srujan. 15. Anirudh, if both are minus, add it. Okay, Srujan, right. Manikanta, Nodappa. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Standard formula of nth term. An is they gave 0. An they gave 0. A value they gave minus 18. N they gave 10. N they gave 10. D we need to find. Right. Yes. This I will take 18 here. So 0 plus 18 it will become plus 18. 10 minus 1 will get 9D. D is equal to 18 by 9. 9 ones are 9 twos are. So D is equal to 2. That's all. Arfa, change the name. Spurti, right. A plus n minus 1 into D. An is equal to, we don't know, but 105 they gave n. So A is 3.5 and n is 105. Oh, sorry, 105. 105 minus 1 into D is 0. Here only answer will get Humera, Vishwanath, right. Shrita, mistake into 0. Because D is 0, right? So 3.5. Here any 104 into 0 will get 0 only now. Why to write anything else? 104 will get, but 104 into 0, 0 only now. Why to minus and all this waste of time? So A 105 is equal to 3.5. Done. It's time up. Right, no Krishnach. 25 is right. An is minus 62. A is 10. N minus n we don't know. D we know 10. Any doubt you can message me. So this minus 62, 10, multiply this 10 into n, 10 n. This 1 into 10 minus 10. I will show the another way also. D is equal to minus 3. Okay, sorry, boys, sorry. Yeah. There was a mistake. D is minus 3 given. So this is D formula and this is minus 3. So this is minus 3 into n minus 3n. Okay, so this plus will be not required here. Minus 3n will come. Minus 3n and minus into minus plus 3 ones are 3. This is important. 10 plus 3, 13 minus 3n. This 13 I will take here. So I will get minus 13 is equal to minus 3n. Minus 75 is equal to minus 3n. You can write here n is equal to this 3 will come down cross minus 75 by minus 3. Minus minus cancel 325. Yeah, done. Nikhil, right. So one more way is there. I will show you. If it is good for you, you can follow this. This is very basic method. Okay, this is very basic. I showed you. Some people will do this very quickly. They want to complete it, so they can do this way also. So this I will take here. Okay, minus 62 and minus 10 is equal to n minus 1 of minus 3 will come. So what you can do here, this 3 is there, into is there, now you can cross here. As it is into, so you can cross here. You will get minus 72 by 3. That is minus. So this you can cancel minus, minus, and 3 ones are, 3 twos are 6, 3 fours are. So you got 24 is equal to n minus 1. This one you take this side, so 24 plus 1 you will get. And n is equal to 25. This is another way to do it. If you don't want to multiply minus 3 into n and minus 3 ones are 3, then cross multiplication method you can follow. Right, I will do it now. I may not able to see the messages, so kindly look on your screen now. Sharnu Spurti, right? A plus n minus 1 b. So they gave the a value is 3.6. A value is minus 18.9. B value is 2.5 as we don't know n value. Okay, Shujan is right. Now shall I multiply or cross method? First thing I will take this one here. Right, Krishna H. So 3.6 plus 18.9. And this one you can write here 2.5 into n. This 2.5 ones are 2.5. So 3.6, no Ayan, 3.6 plus 18.9. If you add it, you will get 5 only, 11, 21.5. Sorry, yeah, 22.5. And this is as it is 2.5 n minus 2.5. Now this 2.5 you can take it this side, it will become plus. Is equal to 2.5 n. Correct na? Yeah, Aditya, very good. Correct. So this is 22 plus 2, 24, 25 is equal to 2.5 n. And you will get n is equal to 25 divided by 2.5. So now divided by 2.5 is there, you might get confusion. So to prevent this confusion, you can multiply this with 10 and you can multiply this with 10. It will become 250 divided by 2.5 into 10 will become 25. Whenever denominator is having any point, you can multiply, right? So 25 ones are 10. N is equal to 10. If you know directly, you can go directly also. Abdul Rahman, Jaldi, always right. Problem based questions are there. I did not get you, Vaibhav. What you are saying? Vignesh, right? No, Abdul Rahman. So an is equal to minus 5 they gave. A is we don't know. N they gave 18 minus 1. D they gave minus 3. So minus 5 is equal to A plus 17 of minus 3, right? Okay, Aditya. Yes, deleted previous exercise, Vaibhav, previous exercise. Minus 51, Spurti, no. No, Bharat. This will come here. So we will get minus 5 plus 51 is equal to A. Right, Varsha. 46 is equal to A. So this is the A value. But Vaibhav, we will learn. You know, knowledge is important. Future we should not get trouble. That's the aim. I will not see the message. Concentrate here. A plus n minus 1 of D. 59 A is minus 5. n minus 1 d is 4. Minus 9, this I will take here plus 5. 4 into n, 4n minus 4. So 63, 64 is equal to, this 4 also I will take here, right? So this step will get less, that is the aim, to make step less. 4 I will get here, it will become plus 4 is equal to 4n. So n is equal to 68 divided by 4. So cancellation you do, you will get 4 ones are 4 ones are 4 7. This is it. Let's see these two sums who can do. This is A20. What is CD of this? What is the common difference of this? And this is the A question.